Little students, how are you? Let's continue with the science olympiads questions. These questions are very important from exam point of view, so let's continue. Okay, uh, these are the questions related from animals, okay, related from living and non-living things. So let's do it. In the last class I have done around 10 questions. Now this is the 11th question. The adaptation mechanism of the chameleon is. What is adaptation? See, adaptation, animals have the unique ability to adapt themselves for survival and protect themselves from predators in harsh environmental conditions. Do you know? What is adaptation? That means the ability to adjust according to the surroundings. Adaptation is what? The ability to adjust according to surroundings. Okay, now for example you have chameleon, you know, camouflage. You have heard about technique camouflage also. This I have done in the last class. Camouflage is what? It is a technique that is used by some animals like chameleons, okay, whereby they change in color or pattern of their skin. They are very much habitual in changing their skin patterns or colors to match with the surroundings. Okay, so that's why adaptation means the ability to adjust. Here the chameleon is doing adjustment according to the surroundings by changing its color or the skin patterns to match with the surroundings so that it can adjust and it can survive. So adaptation is to hibernate during winter. No, this is absolutely wrong statement. Okay, this is not right. And then to change its color to merge with its surroundings, yes, this is true. Develop scaly skin on its body to maintain moisture, it is also not true. False. Migrate to long distances during winter. No, so B is the right answer. Next question is, an animal is taken to the polar region. Which of the following adaptive characteristics will help it to survive in its new environment? Polar means cold region. Okay, that means like Antarctica or somewhere which is very much cold. Okay, so what should be the condition? Growth of thick and less hairy skin. No, if there will be less hairs, then how will it be able to protect the animal from the winters? Sharp beaks and strong claws. Do the animals have beaks? No. Growth of thick fur on its skin. Yes, this is absolutely right statement. Lightweight wings to fly. No. So thick fur skin, that means, have you heard about sheep? Sheep is an animal which has a thick fur on its skin. That's why it is able to survive in the winters. Okay, so if the animal is taken to the polar region like polar bear or sheep, etc., they are able to survive due to the presence of the growth of thick fur on their skin. So that answer will be the C option. Next is, which of the following hibernates? You know, hibernates, that means I have already told you what is hibernation. You know that some land animals are not seen in winter season. For example, lizards and snakes. You know, lizards and snakes, they are not seen in winter, not seen in winter season. Why it is so? Because they show very little activity during winter months. This is called hibernation. Hibernation means, uh, hibernation, what does it actually mean? Hibernation means that these animals like lizards and snakes, they eat a lot of food before the winter season and they store it in their bodies to use it during their hibernation. Okay, so this you should be knowing that that's why in the cold countries like Germany or USA also, or wherever you go, Iceland, you know, lizards and snakes are rarely found because the temperature is very low there. Winter season are mostly found in these countries. So the right answer will be frogs. Human beings, pitcher plants, crows, no, frogs. Frogs are mainly involved in the hibernation process. So this is the right statement. Now next is, how can fishes survive inside water? Water contains CO2 in dissolved form. No. Feed on CO2 means carbon dioxide. No, it is not. right? Fishes feed on smaller organisms containing oxygen. No. Water contains oxygen in dissolved form. This is absolutely right statement. That's why fishes can survive inside water, because water has oxygen in it. Okay, so fish do not require air for respiration. False. Fish have gills, so fish requires air for respiration. Every animal or human being, every creature in this earth, requires air for respiration. Okay, that's why it is said that you have this fish and aquatic invertebrates such as prawns, they have gills for respiration. They have what? They have gills. Fish have gills for respiration. Okay, so uh, animals that live in water are called aquatic animals. This you know. So that means this is absolutely right statement. Now next is mice, dogs and tigers. Mice is the plural of mouse, chuha. Dogs and tigers, do they have fur and four legs? Yes. Scales and fins? No. Fins is mainly present in what? Fish. Fins. Feathers and wings? Do dogs have feathers and wings? Tigers have feathers and wings? No. Wings and beak? No. So this is the right statement. So apply your brain. Fur and four legs. Dogs have fur. Tiger is also have some kind of fur, na? And they all have four legs. Dogs and tigers have four legs. Next is the polar bear is adapted to live in. Polar bear is the bear that is mostly found in the cold countries. So they are adapted to live in the cold mountains, Antarctic region, snow or Arctic region. It is mainly found in the Arctic region. Okay, so we can say that polar bear also has thick fur on their skin. Is it clear? Okay, now next question is, camels are adapted to living for many days without air and sunlight? No. Water and food? Yes. Air and rest? No. Air and sunlight? No. Oh. Camels can adjust, or they can adjust themselves according to the surroundings to living for many days without water and food. Yes, because they are mainly living in the desert areas where there is so much hot, and so that's why they use water and food. uh, Without what, sorry, they already use water and food before coming out into the summer season. Camels are mainly able to survive in the summers now, so that's why, and they are found in the desert areas, and that's why it is said that the terrestrial animals that live in the desert, such as camels, they have the ability to convert fat stored in their humps into water. you know Camel is a terrestrial animal, that is, it is a land habitat animal. Animals that live on land are called terrestrial animals. What do the characteristics camels have? Strong legs. Camels have strong legs to walk around. They can run fast. They live in the desert. They have the ability to store fat, in their humps. Humps what? जो होता है ना उनका एक गोला सा झुकाव वाला, to store fat in their humps into water. H2O means water. Desert animals, they also have very thick skin to prevent loss of water by evaporation. This is also one of the best example of the thick skin use. Thick skin होती है इनकी, that's why क्यों होते thick skin camels की या desert animals की? So that they are able to prevent the water loss. Water loss जो होता है by evaporation. ओके तो ये सारे पॉइंट्स हैं जो आपको पता होने चाहिए. दैट दे हैव स्ट्रॉन्ग लेग्स, दे स्टोर फैट इन देयर हम्प्स इनटू वाटर, दे हैव थिक स्किन टू प्रिवेंट द वाटर लॉस बाय इवेपोरेशन. एंड ऑल्सो आप ये भी बोल सकते हैं कि मोस्ट ऑफ द डेजर्ट एनिमल्स अवॉइड बीइंग आउट इन द सन ड्यूरिंग डे. मैनी डेजर्ट एनिमल, जैसे आपको पता होगा रेप्टाइल्स एंड एम्फीबियंस होते हैं. रेप्टाइल्स जैसे स्नेक्स हैं, एम्फीबियंस हैं, ये कहाँ रहते हैं? दे लिव इन बरोज टू स्केप द इंटेंस डेजर्ट हीट, जिससे कि वो जो डेजर्ट में इतना जो विंड्स स्ट्रॉन्ग हॉट विंड्स चलती हैं या जो डेजर्ट की हीट है उससे बच सके, इसीलिए वो बरोज में रहते हैं. दे कम आउट ड्यूरिंग द नाइट व्हेन द टेम्परेचर्स आर लो. ये कब आते हैं? जब रात में आते हैं, जब धूप नहीं रहती है, जब टेम्परेचर इनके लायक सही रहता है. डेजर्ट एनिमल्स लाइक रेप्टाइल्स दे हैव मिनिमाइज्ड लॉस ऑफ वाटर, ये लॉस ऑफ वाटर को भी मिनिमाइज कर सकते हैं. हाउ? बाय एक्सक्रीटिंग यूरिन इन द फॉर्म ऑफ इनसॉल्युबल यूरिक एसिड. इससे क्या होता है? वेरी लिटिल वेस्टेज ऑफ वाटर होता है. सो ये सब चीजें आपको मालूम होनी चाहिए. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन है विच ऑफ दीज इज अडेप्टेड टू स्विम? पेंगुइन, स्नेक, स्पैरो एंड डक. क्या डॉग स्विम करता है? नो. स्नेक करता है? नो. स्पैरो. पेंगुइन इज अडेप्टेड टू स्विम ओनली. पेंगुइन जो होता है इट इज अडेप्टेड टू स्विम. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन इज विच ऑफ दीज इज अडेप्टेड टू लिव इन द डेजर्ट? टॉर्टोइज, स्नेक, एलिफेंट और टाइगर. सी द राइट आंसर इज स्नेक इज अडेप्टेड टू लिव इन द डेजर्ट एरिया. ओके. नेक्स्ट इज बियर. बियर क्या होता है? देखिए बियर कार्निवोर है, हार्बीवोर है, ओमनिवोरस है, नन ऑफ दीज है. ओमनिवोरस है. बियर इज एन ओमनिवोरस एनिमल. व्हाई? बिकॉज ये क्या करता है? इट कैन ईट बोथ प्लांट्स एंड एनिमल्स. दैट्स व्हाई ये क्या है? ओमनिवोरस है. ठीक है, तो ये आपका हो गया. अच्छा, अब इसमें देखिए थोड़ा सा मैं आपको थोड़ा सा कुछ और भी नॉलेज बताना चाहती थी. जैसे कि आपने अभी हैबिटेट पढ़ा, आपने अडेप्टेशन पढ़ा. अडेप्टेशन क्या होता है? अडेप्टेशन मीन्स जैसे कैमल पढ़ा. कैमल वोंट बी एबल टू सर्वाइव इन वाटर बिकॉज इट्स बॉडी इज अडेप्टेड टू अ डेजर्ट हैबिटेट. लिविंग थिंग्स जो होते हैं दे अडेप्ट और चेंज देमसेल्व्स टू सूट देयर सराउंडिंग्स. फॉर एग्जांपल जब विंटर्स आते हैं तो वी ऑल ह्यूमन बीइंग्स क्या करते हैं? वोलन स्वेटर्स निकाल लेते हैं, रजाइयाँ निकाल लेते हैं, ब्लैंकेट्स निकाल लेते हैं, अपने आप को पूरा कवर करके रखते हैं. और गर्मी में हम उसका उल्टा करते हैं. तो वी आर अडेप्टेड. तो अडेप्टेशंस जो होते हैं दे हेल्प द एनिमल्स टू गेट फूड, कीप सेफ एंड रिप्रोड्यूस एंड प्रोटेक्ट देमसेल्व्स फ्रॉम हार्श क्लाइमेटिक कंडीशंस. अब यहाँ पे जैसे इसने ये क्वेश्चन पूछा विच ऑफ दीज इज अडेप्टेड टू स्विम. तो पेंगुइन जो होते हैं यू नो दे हैव अ थिक लेयर ऑफ डेंसली पैक्ड फेदर्स. दे हैव थिक layer of densely packed densely packed feathers होते हैं इनके. ओके. to reduce heat loss इनके फ्लिपर्स एंड लेग्स भी इस तरह से अडेप्टेड होते हैं दैट दे आर एबल टू रिड्यूस द हीट लॉस. आप लिख सकते हैं ड्यू टू प्रेजेंस ऑफ फ्लिपर्स एंड लेग्स विच आर able to help them to reduce heat loss. तो ये सब आपको पता होना चाहिए. दूसरा क्या है आपके पास? स्नेक जो होता है, स्नेक्स डोंट हैव लेग्स. दिस यू शुड बी नोइंग. देखिए ये जो स्नेक्स होते हैं दे डोंट हैव लेग्स. इनके क्या लेग्स होते हैं? नहीं. सो दे क्रॉल. दे हैव स्केल्स ऑन देयर बॉडीज. उनकी बॉडीज में क्या होती हैं? स्केल्स होती हैं विच हेल्प देम क्रॉल ऑन लैंड. ये आपको मालूम होना चाहिए. ठीक है. तो टेरेस्ट्रियल एनिमल्स जो कि कोल्ड एरियाज में रहते हैं दे हैव फर ऑन देयर बॉडीज. व्हाई? टू प्रोटेक्ट देम फ्रॉम एक्सेसिव कोल्ड. ठीक है. एंड जो बॉडी शेप होती है एंड साइज होती है मैनी कोल्ड क्लाइमेट मैमल्स की, इट इज़ वेल अडेप्टेड टू द कोल्ड क्लाइमेट. दे आर राउंड एंड बल्की होते हैं विद शॉर्ट लेग्स, ईयर्स एंड टेल. ये सारे आपको फीचर्स पता होने चाहिए, इसीलिए मैं आपको बता रही हूँ. ये अच्छे क्वेश्चन हैं, इनको ज़रूर करिएगा. टिल देन इसको लाइक शेयर सब्सक्राइब करना मत भूलिएगा. ओके.